ibhola wena bagcina laphana. Nice, ne?
Bonani my viewers amahle, of course this is your girl Tobeka Hadebe, aka German girl, guys. Hoping you're right in my Easter holidays umubeka right, guys. So namuhla guys angeze kuphude kakhulu. I'll go and fetch Siswami, my partner in crime, the content creator yethu. Yabona? Yes. Ndoyakulanza Siyanda Ndlovu, youngest lawful workers. Atositshela ngabanzi ngaye, asitshele ngabanzi nange-lawful workers. So stay tuned, ngiyomlanza.
Akitawu kithula maboda, akitawu kithula mazenke kabetha ngake una benke kareka kaseleta rente, akitawu kithula.
Okay, babukeli labahle, ezinsukwini ngiyakumlanza nasiswami, my partner in crime, isithandwa senhliziyo. So ngizocelela ukuthi asitshele ukuthi ngibani, wakabani, uhlalaphi, usitshele ukuthi lo-friend of us uyakhe ngabani. Hey girl, how are you? I'm good. Please tell the viewers about yourself. Hi guys, my name is Yana Jobu. I'm from Cholosi, White River, and I'm 15 years old. Oh, 14 years old, turning 15. And yeah. Hey, Yana, ngizodwa ukuthi ufundzaphi, wenda grade bani, phansi njani isikolo. Okay. Ngifundza eNorthern High School. I'm doing grade 9. And isikolo. Yeah. Mara kuyaphaseka kodwa, kuyaphaseka. Ne? Kusho ukuthi next year senza grade 10. Never guys. Siyacedza guys, isikole siyacedza nje. Soba sidla imaths. Okay, Siyanda. As you see ukuthi namuhla celebrate i-library. Ufila njani ukuthi nawe even though unokudlula lapha ubone yeah, abantwana bayadlala, they are happy nje ama-moments. How do you feel? I feel good, like I feel good because every Saturday improve, like it's always improving. Nje. Alright. Okay. Please tell us, who's in Lucas? Uyijoyine nini? Uyijoyine kubani? Balukutshele ngayo? Why uchoose ukusijoyina? So unesikhathi esinganani uLofe Lucas? iLofe Lucas ngijoyine 2022, 2023, somewhere there. Ngijoyine ngicale ukujoyina 2019. Ngibe ngayo ngoba ngihlala ngibona ekuseni avuka ageza etela kuMalofe Lucas. Shout out to Mami. Siyabonga mama ukulethela yabona ngiyalo. This one is my best friend, guys. Masishutha malona elento ebonako ma content ngimnaye. Ngoba the other one akekho, unfortunately sesikoleni. Shout out to you, girl. Okay. Ilona undoneni like uyithanda, why uyithanda iLofe Lucas? Yo, kuningi ma-reason maningi. First thing ngithanda ngoba kumnandi. Yabona unani. First reason. Second thing ukuthi I get to see bana banyuwane nje every Saturday. Bana banyuwane, get to make friends, like yabo. And third thing ukuthi sometimes mangayi the content for Lofe Lucas ngiyawalk, and like that's helpful. Okay. Okay. Masilona ke. Sekunema-walk life siswekile nala asahamba. Kunama-walk la previous. Ungathini ngathi uthanze yiphi? Yo, ngithande ngathi ngithande. Angikhumbula ukuthi ngiphi igama layo. Okay. But besifaka e-White Dream. Besifaka lapha endlini lakhe eThailand. Okay, why uthanda? But like because it's that day besigibele evenini like mina guys nginethoba ukugibela evenini, I don't know why, but like it was fun because and like kuyahlekisa angadi nje guys. Uyana nito joyina nani nito thola le fun lesiyitholako and stuff yabo. Okay, upcoming walk utimisele ukuthi ubone yiphi? Why ufuna ukuyibona? Makhonjwa ne? Okay. Why?
Because angikaze ngayibona ngifuna
Yeah.
ngeke bathi yo kunzima le mara ngifuna kuya
Bathi phela le nto usibuka so.
so
Usibuka so. Mina guys nami ngiyangibona ukuthi nginone njani nami vele ngifuna ngiye emakhonjwa nje. Ngithi ngilize amakhilo kancane because ayi kuvala kwetikolo kuselile shame. Kuselile. Okay. So ngiyabona everyday siyahamba every Saturday njalo siyahamba sikuma-walk ini nje vele yini lo ngathi maybe singayi-improve ukuthi maybe siyile ibe ngcono le
futhi sibe discipline and sifike isikhathi ngoba labaye bafika lethe nje kuba
okay. So Siyanda, as you can see there is a hiking down nasekuzala. How do you feel?
yo fila because last time ngafika yo bekumnandi dlala wena bhola wena bagidza laphana
Nice, ne? Nice. Sayiclopha le nto siyayibantwe. Yeah.
Hashtag positive mindset, positive vibes. Hashtag I am possible. This is Lawful Walkers podcast, and this is Tobeka Hadebe signing out. Now, we'll be seeing you soon this coming Saturday as we will be celebrating our senior citizens. So, it is a senior citizen walk this coming Saturday. It will be at Wimpy Ferreira, 36 Ferreira Street, Mbombela, ilapaya next to Nelspruit Prison. Mangabe ubanenkinga sifonele ma contacts akhona la kule poster yethu. Now remember, the walk is starting at 5:30 and the theme for the day is black and white with a touch of red. Of course, we're featuring Wimpy, so red must be there. Now don't forget, when you buy breakfast, you get a free coffee at Wimpy. Come join us. Bye.